In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Zendesk account. We'll walk through the exact path in the Zendesk interface to reach support and request account deletion, and I'll share a few helpful tips so the process goes smoothly from start to finish. First, make sure you're signed into your Zendesk workspace in your web browser. On the main screen, look to the top right for your profile icon. This is the small avatar or initial that opens your personal menu. Click that profile icon to reveal additional options related to your account. From the menu that appears, click on Help. This takes you to Zendesk's Support Help area, where you can access resources and open up a conversation with their support system. If a panel opens on the side, that's fine. Just stay within that Help section. Next, select Get Help. This is the entry point for Zendesk's support assistant. Depending on your setup, it might open in a panel or a window, but you're looking for the place where you can start a support interaction. Now give the chatbot a moment to load. It can take a few seconds. If you don't see anything after a short wait, try a gentle page refresh or make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or scripts. Those can sometimes delay the chat from appearing. Once the bot is visible and responsive, you're ready to proceed. In the chat box, type your request clearly. For example, I want to delete my Zendesk account. Keep the wording specific and concise. The assistant may ask a few verification questions or request details to confirm ownership, so be prepared to provide non-sensitive information it needs to locate your account. Avoid sharing passwords, full payment details, or any private credentials in the chat. If you're the account owner, you can state that up front to speed things along and, if prompted, confirm any required information that proves you have authority to close the account. From here, follow the prompts the chatbot provides. It may give you a direct link, open a ticket, or escalate to a human agent who will finalize the request. Deleting an account is typically permanent and may remove associated data, so ensure you've exported anything important beforehand and understand any billing or subscription implications. If you receive a confirmation number or email, save it for your records until the closure is fully complete. That's it. Click your profile icon, choose Help, select Get Help, wait for the chatbot, and clearly request account deletion. Stay concise, avoid sharing sensitive data, and follow the guidance the support flow provides to wrap everything up.